Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name's Solairyamour. So today guys, we're gonna be opening up an advent calendar. I've never have opened up an advent calendar before. I was on Ulta website and they had their 12 days of beauty advent calendar, and I thought I should get it and open it with you guys because I never opened one before and I've never tried anything that's like Ulta Beauty. Yeah, so let's get to the video. So this is what it looks like, and it's just like a circle of boxes pretty much. I'm very excited to open this. It's gonna be really, exciting and stuff, and we're gonna see like what they put in here and all that good stuff, if it's good to like gift to somebody that for like Christmas or something like that, because usually when brands put up their advent calendar, people really like buying them to gift them to somebody else. So we're gonna see if it's worth it and stuff. So the price for this advent calendar was like $22, I believe, plus tax, so that will like maybe be like 23 something. I'm not sure, but I know on the website it's $22. I'm gonna be opening up here. Whoa. So when you open it, it's like falling apart. Oh, okay, so I thought it was gonna fall apart. But it opens up right here. So, oh, this is cute. Like this. Oh, that's cute. I wasn't expecting that. It kind of reminds me of like pixel boxes though. And I guess it has this. I guess you can put it like on your tree or something. I'm not sure. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna be taking the first. Day right here. Ooh. Yeah, it has like little sticky tabs in here. So this is the first day. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we have a little small thing right here. Let's see what it is. Oh, so this is a lipstick. Oh, it smells nice. This is really pretty. So, but this is what it looks like. Oh, it's really creamy. It feels kind of thick though. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty shade. It's very it's like a new shade, but it doesn't have any name, so I don't know what color it is. Really cute. It's not bad for the first day. That's pretty nice. You get a little lipstick. Okay, so we're gonna get the second day right here, and oh, it's kind of hard to get out. And I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, we have like a small little thing in here. Small little thing. It's really okay. Oh, this is a eyeshadow duo. So this is in the shade Spacey and Galaxy, I think, or I might be reading it wrong because I don't. The letter is really small. It has a blue eyeshadow and a brown eyeshadow in there. So these are the swatches. Honestly, the blue is a little bit chalky, but the brown one, it's pretty smooth. So moving on to the next day. So the next day right here, no. I thought I said 5 for a second. I was like, wait, when did I get to number 5? So number 3. Okay, let's open it. Ooh. Oh, it had no wrapping. What is this? Is this a mascara? What is this? This is an eyebrow gel. Okay. Okay, this is clear. This is the one right here. It's really small. So moving on to day number 4. I forgot already where we were. Oh, I'm gonna rip the whole box. Look at this. This is literally stuck so bad in there. There you go. Okay, this one was also not in a wrapper. So, okay, this is really cute. Look at that color. Guys, oh my god, I was not in focus. I was not on focus that whole time. Why you didn't tell me? Moving on. Moving on. This is a cream eyeshadow. Look how pretty. Let me swatch it for you because this is actually really cute. I'm not a huge fan of liquid eyeshadows. Just because I don't really know how to blend in them properly. But I do like the glittery ones like this one. But the matte ones are a little bit harder for me to blend. Moving on to day number 4. I think, no, it's day number 5. Day number 5. So, okay, so this one also not in a wrapping. So, why did they put some of them in wrappings and others not in a wrapping? Like, look at that packaging. This is cute. So tiny. Okay, this is really tiny. This is a tinted lip oil. Kind of want to see how it feels. You know what? Maybe I should have tried that other lip color. Maybe to see what it looks like on me. Huh. Should I try that first lipstick that we got? I'm gonna try it real quick. But I'm gonna put this one on first. It feels pretty thick. It doesn't feel like a lip gloss, but it doesn't feel like fully like an oil. And it feels like a lip balm, like a thick lip balm. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try that lipstick we got earlier because it's such a pretty color and I don't know why I didn't try it. Okay, so this is very light. I think with a lip liner I will wear it because without lip liner it just kind of looks a little bit too light. But I'm gonna keep it on. So, okay, moving on to day number 6. Day number 6. Oh. I just broke it. So we're gonna... I keep breaking everything. This one's in a wrapping as well. Oh, so this is another eyeshadow. This is another cute little eyeshadow. And this is also an eyeshadow duo. This is like a little purple and a little taupe color eyeshadow. This is super cute. I would definitely wear those colors. Like, those are the kind of colors that I like to wear. That shimmer color is really pretty. This is for sure not as shocky as the first ones that we got. And these are like more in the range of colors that I would definitely wear. Moving on to day number 7. I said, why did I make this so hard? It's like I'm trying to wrestle with this thing over here. No, I might as well just break it because everything's just breaking. Okay, we got a little tube. This is an overnight lip mask. Oh my god. This smells so good. It smells really nice. It smells really sweet. Okay, so now number 8. And we're like almost done with this. We have 4 more left after this one. I was trying to be like nice with the boxes, but I might as well just tear them apart. Okay, so this looks like it's an... Oh, okay. So this is... I thought it was about to be like another lip oil. I was like, why did I put 2 lip oils? This is a little lip gloss. This is super cute. I'm sorry, I keep saying it's cute, but everything's so small. It's adorable. I'm gonna try it on because it's so pretty. This actually looks like a color that I would personally like buy and wear. This is what it looks like on. Honestly, I gotta say, I have a lip color just like this one. I think it's the one from NYX. It's called Birthday Cake. But it looks just like this one. So this is definitely something I would wear. Moving on to box number 9. Sheesh. Okay, so we're gonna open the box. We're gonna open the box. We're gonna open... Ooh! This is the mattifying face primer. So tiny. This is very silicone-y, like. It feels like a silicone primer. It doesn't really smell like anything, but it feels like a silicone primer, so it's very smooth. Very smooth. Moving on to day number 10. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I do not like that they made it so hard to take off. So it looks like we have another little shadow here because it's like a little square. No! Oh, okay. I was wrong. Okay, it looked like a square, so I was like, oh, it's a shadow, you know? Because they gave us 2 shadows already. Okay, this is a highlighter. This is so freaking cute. Can y'all see that? Look how pretty it is. That's definitely a shade I would definitely wear. Day number 11. Day number 11. Okay, opening it up. What's in here? Oh, a pencil. This is a little eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna swatch it. Let me see. Okay, so this is like a kohl pencil. Just a regular kohl pencil. It's really smooth. Nothing to say. Nothing much to say. Okay, so the last day here, guys. Let's see what the last day is gonna be. Because they started out really nice with the nice, it looks like a full size, I believe, lipstick, full size lipstick. So let's see what they end up with. Ooh, ow, that actually hurt. Okay, I am sacrificing my health for this box. Okay. Oh, this is so tiny. This is so freaking small. Okay, it feels really dense. I'm gonna go wet it and see if it expands or not, or maybe it gets softer because it feels really like dense and kind of hard. I'll be right back. It spanned a little bit, you know. It spanned a little bit. It's still kind of a little bit hard. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna get softer, but I mean, it's pretty, feels pretty decent. I don't know how it's gonna perform, you know what I mean? But I feel like this is great for like small areas, like under the eyes, or like to blend out the contour on your nose or something like that. So that was the last item, guys, and honestly it wasn't so bad. I mean, I'm not like fully satisfied with it, but it was okay, I guess, for my first advent calendar that I ever opened ever. I think this is actually a pretty good advent calendar for like if somebody who's like new at makeup and you know you just want to give them a little something, you know what I'm saying? But for somebody who's like knows what they're doing on makeup and stuff like that, I think this is not the one. I really like the eyeshadow glitter thing. I want to know how it works on the eyes, and I also like the highlighter. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun making it. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and if you did enjoy watching it, why don't you just give it a thumbs up, you know? Just thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more content like this on my channel. I make beauty content, makeup content, you know. And click that notification bell so YouTube can notify you every time I post, to be like, hey, she posted today. I don't know. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Be happy and smile.